Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Noise has launched one more smartwatch in the ColorFit Pro series, and it's the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Alpha. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and show you its features. So here is the box of the ColorFit Pro 3 Alpha. In the front we have the picture of the smartwatch, and here we can see it has the Alexa built in. And this is a fitness smartwatch. At the back we have the features, and here we have the mist grey variant. Apart from that, this smartwatch is available in a few more colors. About the features, we get the 1.69-inch TFT display, TWS connection support, 100 sports modes, skin temperature, Bluetooth calling. It supports auto SpO2 monitoring, social media quick reply, noise detection, music storage and playback, stress monitoring, 5 days battery backup, and this smartwatch is 580 waterproof. The companion app Noise Fit Assist is available for both Android and iOS. The MRP of this smartwatch is Rs 8,999. However, the launch price of this smartwatch is Rs 5,499. Now, let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the documentations, and here we have the Noise stickers, a thank you card, and then we have the user guide. And it has the info about the different features of this watch. And then we have the smartwatch itself. My first impression about this smartwatch is that it feels well built, though the watch module is slightly thicker, and that is due to the mic and speaker. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So in the box we get the magnetic charging cable, which connects at the back of the watch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Alpha is a premium smartwatch from Noise. This smartwatch from Noise is the second watch after the Noise ColorFit Vision, which is crossing the price tag of Rs 5,000. Now talking about the build quality and design, I find the build quality of this watch very good, and we get this metallic finish case in this watch. The straps are also of good quality, and you get the Apple Watch style straps in this watch. And I must say that the straps are very comfortable on the hand. In terms of the display, we get the 1.69-inch TFT display, which comes with the high 500 nits brightness. And you also get this curved glass. At the right side of the watch we have the function button, and next to it we have the mic. And on the left side we have the speaker grill. At the back we have the sensors, which includes heart rate, SpO2, and also the temperature sensor. And above the sensors we get the charging points. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Alpha does look and feel premium, and I find this mist grey color pretty attractive. Now let's turn it on and pair it with our phone. So to turn on the watch for the first time, you would need to connect the charging cable, and here it is on. And now download the app Noise Fit Assist and follow the instructions on the screen. So here we have our watch paired with our phone. Now let me show you the features first. So guys, looking at the display, I find the output good. It's crisp and clear, and the viewing angles are also pretty good. In terms of the features, here we are on the watch face. And guys, in this watch, you can change the watch faces by swiping left or right on the watch face. And also, these watch faces comes with the dynamic options, such as you can tap on any icon to open the app or change the watch face style. In terms of the controls, swiping up from the bottom, we have the control center. And here we have the DND, wrist to wake, brightness, and then we have the torch, alarm, and the music control. In the music control, you can control the music on your phone or listen to the music which you have stored in the watch, which you can do with the companion app. And also guys, you can connect a true wireless earphones with the watch and listen to the content. In total, you get approximately 500 MB storage in this watch. And then in the control center, we have the Alexa, which I will show you in a moment. Now coming back to the controls, swiping down from the top will show you the notification history. And guys, I'm a little disappointed with the smoothness of this watch, and when you swipe up or down, it's all stuttery and you can notice the lag. To access the main menu, you will need to press the crown button, and here we have the menu. About the lag, it's not that prominent here, and we have good touch response, and the menu also feels smooth. So in the menu first we have the noise health, and inside it we have the activity goals, which will show you the current day's fitness data. And you can see the step count, distance, and also the historical data. Then in the menu we have the heart rate, and guys, the detection is fast and there is no false reading in this smartwatch. After that we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is fairly accurate. And one more thing, we get the auto SpO2 monitoring in this watch, which is a pretty handy feature. Then we have the stress monitoring, and here you can see your stress level. After that, we have a new feature in this smartwatch, and that is a noise detection. And this lets you see the noise level around you. And then in the menu we have the sleep, and after that we have the skin temperature, and here you can see your body temperature. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the workouts, and here we have 100 sports modes in this watch, which is pretty good. After that we have the Alexa, and once you sign in with your Amazon account, you have your own personal assistant and you can ask questions and know the weather and lot more. Convert 5,000 rupees to US dollars. And then in the menu we have the noise buzz, and guys, in this we have the calling features. So here we have the frequent contacts which you can add from the app, and after that we have the call history, and then we have the dial pad, and from here you can make a new phone call. And talking about the calling performance, I find the mic clarity very good, and I've used this watch to take few calls, and I find both the speaker and mic clarity very good. So calling feature of this smartwatch performs very good. Now coming back to the main menu, then we have the breathe, by which you can do some breathing exercises, and after that we have the event reminders which you can add from the app. Then we have the clock, and here we have the usual options such as alarm, stopwatch, timer and world clock. Then we have the weather, and here you can see the current weather, and apart from that you can see some other details along with the weather forecast. And then finally we have the settings. In the settings we have the screen on time, ringtone volume for calls, vibration settings, and the usual power off, reset and restart watch option. Apart from the main menu, there is also a widget screen which you can access by just swiping right on the menu page. And here we have different widgets available which you can also customize by the app, and I find this widget screen pretty useful. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch, and feature wise you're getting all the features including a few new ones. But again, I'm a little disappointed with the lack of smoothness in the menu, and sometimes the touch response is not that good. Now let me quickly show you the companion app Noise Fit Assist. So here we are on the home page, and on the top we have the fitness data, and then we have the step count, and below it we have the sleep, heart rate, SpO2, and guys, in the SpO2 you can also see the auto SpO2 monitoring data. After that we have the stress, noise detection and the skin temperature. And the second page we have in the app is the exercise, and here you can start a new workout session. And then we have the device page, and here you can see the connected device on the top, and below it we have the watch face market. Here you can see the available watch faces, and you can also create your own custom watch face. After that we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And as mentioned earlier, you can accept the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the message alert. You can see the app icon and the name along with the message. But right now, the quick reply option is not available, but it will be available later on with an OTA update. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the calls, and here you can add the frequent contacts to be displayed on the watch. After that we have the health tracking, and here you can enable the different options such as continuous heart rate, stress and the SpO2 monitoring. You can also enable the auto skin temperature and the ambient sound level, which is a very good option. But guys, all these features will consume more battery. After that we have the music, and here you can transfer the song on your watch and listen to it on the watch or through a Bluetooth earphones. Now before we conclude, let's talk about the battery performance. The battery backup is decent, and with the moderate usage, you can get approximately 4 to 5 days of battery backup. So overall the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Alpha is a decent smartwatch. It comes with the Bluetooth calling and couple of new features. The display performance is good, but you will notice sometimes issues with the touch response and the lag in the menu. Design and build quality wise, it is pretty good, but I personally didn't like the strap style, and it is sometimes very inconvenient to tie the watch. Nonetheless, feature wise it's good, and the fitness data is also quite accurate, and the sleep tracking is also very accurate. The Bluetooth calling feature is also an advantage, and performance wise it is very good. But guys, I think this smartwatch is priced slightly on the higher side, and right now the introductory price is Rs 5499, and after that it will be increased. And without the built-in GPS and the AMOLED display, we think this smart should be priced around 4000 rupees price mark. So that's it guys, this was our review of the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 Alpha smartwatch. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartwatch, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.